Now we consider two parallel plates. So one plate we can draw here and it is having plus sigma, that is a charge density, and the next plate we can draw here and it is having minus sigma. So that means these two plate it is uniformly distributed. The charges it is uniformly distributed. So one plate it is having positive charges, that is plus sigma, and other it is having negative charges. So here the question is we have to calculate what will be the electric field in region 1 and in region 2 and in region 3. This is the question here. Okay, you have to find the electric field in the region 1, 2 and 3. So already we learned in the last section that is electric field due to an infinite plane sheet. What is the equation for that? Electric field is equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. That is due to a single plane sheet we are considering. So now you just consider this plate, that is equal to, if you are considering plus sigma, this plate we are considering, it's a positive charges only, it is distributed, uniformly distributed. So we know that electric field is acting radially outwards. Electric field is acting radially outward and it is independent of distance only. So we can mark the electric field, you can mark that is due to the positive charge it is acting radially outward. So it is acting in this direction. Here also it is acting in this direction. Here also it is acting in the outward direction. So these three it is due toward the positive charge plate only. Now you consider these in three region, we have to calculate what will be the electric field direction in the case of due to a negative charge. So negative charge means it will be like this, it will be uniformly distributed. Okay, so in this case we can say that electric field is acting radially inwards. So if you are taking region 1, if you are considering this plate, it is having the negative charges. So electric field is acting in which direction? Acting radially inwards, because it is uniformly charged. So electric field is in this direction. Here also it is in this direction, and here also it is acting in this direction. So we got the three region 1, 2 and 3, and we got the electric field. Now you just calculate what will be the electric field in the case of region 1. So in region 1 you can take it as what will be the electric field in this plane due to the plus sigma, it is in the negative direction only. So we can take it as minus sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. But due to the negative charge plate, it is acting towards a positive x direction. So you can take it as plus sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, so what will be the electric field? Electric field become 0. So we will get in region 1, if you are taking region 1, that is electric field is equal to 0. Now you take a region 2, you can take what will be the electric field in region 2. So electric field in region 2 means here you can take due to the positive, it is in the positive direction, and due to the negative charge also it is in the same direction. So you can write sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So how much you will get? Sigma by epsilon naught. So what will be the electric field between these two plates? If you are considering region 2, in this region electric field is equal to how much? Sigma divided by epsilon naught. So that is a electric field between the two parallel plate, it is having plus sigma and minus sigma. Now you consider the third region, if we are considering the third region, okay, region 3 if we are considering. So here electric field due to the plus sigma, it is in this direction. So we can write sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. And if you are considering in this region, that means due to the negative charges, it is towards the negative x direction. So we can take minus sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. So what will be the electric field? Net electric field is equal to 0. So in this region, in the region 3, also we will get electric field is equal to 0. So in the region 1 you will get electric field is 0, and region 2 also we will get electric field is equal to 0, and the electric field between the two parallel plate, the electric field is constant, and that is equal to sigma divided by epsilon. So at any point between the two parallel plate, if you are taking, electric field is constant, and that value is equal to how much? Sigma divided by epsilon.